Hello Chathroom, welcome back to our channel DV Vidyalaya. I'm so excited that I'm going to start a new course on Python from basic to advanced level. As per the request of many of my students, I have started this Python and I will be going in a step by step manner so that every beginner can understand the basics of Python, why there is a need of learning Python, and then how we can learn this in a step by step manner in a clear structure and detail oriented fashion with a hell lot of examples. And before entering into the Python course, I would like to tell you which interface I'm going to work and how we can use that interface and how to open that interface for the sake of business in a detailed way. Okay, let's get started.